Y el froggy? ¿Cómo hace el froggy? El froggy hace rip it in English y croc croc in Spanish.
At Nalani Dela Cruz's 4-month checkup, her mom is not only learning about baby nutrition, vaccines, and safety, but also about the importance of reading to babies right from the start.
It's not one study. It's more than 15 or 20 studies that all say the same thing again and again. When parents read with their children, there are beneficial effects, and the effects include language and cognitive outcomes for children.
The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends parents read to their children beginning in infancy because early exposure to language, whether it's reading, talking, or singing, can have a profound effect on a child's ability to learn and succeed later in life. And that interaction strengthens the emotional bond between parent and baby.
This is a natural way to promote the relationship between the parent and the child, and that is foundational. We know that early relationships are really what set the child's life course in a positive way.
Susanna Beckwith is with Reach Out and Read, a nonprofit literacy program that works with pediatricians to prescribe books and encourage families to read together.
90% of brain development happens between the ages of birth and 3 years of age. And we don't want to miss that window of opportunity for children. The more language that they hear and exposed to in those early years, the better prepared they are for school.
Research shows more than 80% of children living in low-income families are not proficient in reading by the end of the 3rd grade.
If you lose a child at the beginning of their educational career, you often can't regain that connection.
To help prevent that, Reach Out and Read donates books to pediatricians who see children at most risk for reading failure. And the American Academy of Pediatrics has these tips for reading to baby. Read every day. Read with emotion, pick colorful, sturdy books they can hold, plan a special reading time, and ask questions and talk about feelings as the child grows. While reading to an infant right from the start is ideal, says Dr. High, she wants parents to know if they didn't get that chance, it's never too late to start.
I don't think that reading is the very first thing you think about when a baby is born, but when things calm down, when you have time to take your breath, then reading is a wonderful, fun opportunity, a way of nurturing the parent-child relationship and building language and literacy skills that will last a lifetime.
In Providence, Rhode Island, I'm Linda Champa for CNN.
Oh, there's a ball. We heard you like balls and rings.